Hello friends, today we talk about how to get rid of suntan. If you live in hot and sunny weather, then getting suntan regularly might not be actually uncommon for you. So I tell you some remedy which helps you in getting rid of from suntan so that you can get your normal skin tone back whitening few days. So let's start. First is lemon juice. Cut a lemon and rub a slice on your tanned skin. Leave it on for a few minutes before you taking shower. Second, cucumber extract, lemon juice and rose water. Mix 1 tablespoon of each of the 3 ingredients in a bowl and apply it properly on your tanned skin. Third, Masoor dal, tomato and aloe. Soak 1 tablespoon of Masoor dal in a water and mix it a paste. To this add equal quantities of aloe extract and tomato paste. Apply on 10 areas on your face and keep it for 30 minutes and wash it with cold water. Fourth, honey and papaya pack. Smash the half cup of papaya and add 1 tablespoon honey in it. Blend well and apply the pack on your face. Leave it on for half an hour and wash off with cold and lukewarm water. Fifth, aloe with multani mitti. Take 2 tablespoons of multani mitti and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel and mix it with enough chilled rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this on the face and neck and keep it on for 15 minutes. Scrub the pack with wet fingers and then wash it with cold water. Sixth, fresh cream and saffron. Take a few saffron and 1 tablespoon of milk cream and mix it. Then apply the paste on your skin. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Seventh, lemon and sugar. Take 1½ lemon juice and 1 tablespoon sugar. Gently mix the sugar and lemon juice. Use this as a scrub on the affected area. Massage in gentle circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash it with cold water. Eighth, gram flour and turmeric. Mix a tiny amount of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of gram flour, milk and 1 tablespoon rose water. Apply to 10 areas and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it. Ninth, pineapple pulp and honey. Mix the pulp of a pineapple with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply it on 10 areas properly. 10th, coconut water and sandalwood powder. Mix the 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder with 1 tablespoon coconut water and mix it. Apply it on the face and neck and leave it to dry. Wash it with water. So these are some effective suntan remover home remedies. I hope so you all like it and use it. Thank you.
If you like our video, don't forget to like it and share it via Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and other social media platform or sites. Also subscribe us to receive our new videos regularly. Don't forget to click bell icon to receive updates. We will keep posting 3 to 4 videos once a week regularly.